We have a exercise pedal bike, and we're going to show you how to set it up and how to use it. It comes nicely packed, so let's take it on out. On the floor we have everything laid out. Going to take it out of the packaging. We have a open end wrench, an Allen key, a number of screws, bolts, washers, so forth, an instruction guide for the D2 book, a skid mat, the main base, the two legs, a strap, and the pedals. Take the small one and do the same thing. Line it up and start to lock everything down. This is your left, this is your right. On the pedal, this is a left. Lefty is tighty. On the right, righty is tighty. So you're going to place this on and you're going to start to lock into place. And you're going to start to tighten down. The exercise bike, pedal bike, is for underneath the desk. Make yourself comfortable. The best place to work on this is on a chair that you're most comfortable in. And you're going to set the odometer to your liking. There is a thumb bolt that you could tighten and loosen for your strength of pedaling. You have little feet straps, and you have this strap here, so in case this ever moves, you just attach it on and off you go. So this way you don't slide forward. So as the bicycle is all ready to go and riding along, it's pretty comfortable pedaling along. Adjusting the tensioner to the way you like it, and off you go. It's an exercise bike for the desk, underneath for the chair, for seniors, circulations of the leg, exercise wherever you need to be at. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.